A great many people trust that men's sexual execution and sexual capacity issues must be relieved by medications, for example, Viagra. Be that as it may, a characteristic and homemade cure is similarly as viable, if worse. That is on account of this cure is produced using aphrodisiacs, which energizes sexual feelings. Here's how to make the homemade Viagra. Ingredients: watermelon, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Preparation: cut the watermelon in minor pieces. Blend the bits of watermelon until the point when you get watermelon juice, about a liter of it. Put the juice in a pot and bubble it for a few minutes. Add the lemon juice to the watermelon juice. Mix the juices well and bubble until the point when the entire sum decreases to a half. Set the blend aside for 60 minutes, with the goal that it chills off. Salts. As watermelon is awesome for your well-being. In particular, for sexual well-being, it contains lycopene and citrulline. Both of these supplements are aphrodisiacs and enhance your sexual execution. When getting ready to devour this blend, make certain to constrain your admission of sugars and salts, as they can lessen the impacts. Consume any amount of this drink, starting from 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of a cup. This should be taken in the morning, on an empty stomach, or in the evening. When consumed on a regular basis, you will soon notice an increase in your sexual potency and performance. Both men